You are going to love the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius XM radio, electronic stability control, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.